Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, ma'am. So the next practical program that we are going to discuss today is creating a Python program to implement mathematical functions. Okay, so to implement mathematical functions. So we know that in Python we have a number of modules, and math module is one of the module which contains number of mathematical functions. So in this particular Python program, in this practical exercise, we are going to understand some of the mathematical functions. Okay, so we have used mathematical functions, and then to make use of the mathematical functions, we have defined the user defined functions as well. Okay, so let us see what the program is all about. Okay, so in the practical examination, you have to write the aim, and you have to write or take the printout of the source code. Okay, so what is the aim of this particular program is that it is to write a Python program to implement Python mathematical functions to find the square of a number, to find log of a number. Okay, so when we talk about log, so you will be able to find the log value with different base. So here we are going to find the log to the base 10. Okay, and then we are going to find the quad of a number. Okay, so I'm going to do these three activities or these three functions. Okay, so I'm going to use mathematical functions for the same. So now let us look at the program. So import math. So to use any module, you have to use them. You have to import them using an import statement, import math. Okay, and then I'm going to write a user defined function def square of a number. Okay, so square, so this is a user defined name, and whatever the value that you wanted to find the square, you have to pass that as a argument. Okay, so and then this is a function, so it should end with a colon. Okay, don't forget, so the function header should end with a colon. And then to calculate the square of a number, I am going to use a POW function. So POW stands for power. POW stands for power. Okay, the power function, it takes two arguments. So the first argument is the base, and then the second argument is the exponent. Okay, so square abdina, so it is to the power of 2. So I am using the mathematical function s is equal to math dot POW of num comma 2. Okay, so because I want to calculate the square, so I'm hard coding this information. Okay, so if you want to calculate the power of some other number, okay, 2 to the power of 8, 8 power 25, like that, whatever you wanted to calculate. So the first one, POW abdinra function, what you need to understand is that, so the first argument is a base, and the second argument is a exponent or the power value. Okay, so you have to give that value, and this function, it is going to return the value. I am receiving it in a variable, and this user defined function returns the same value. Okay, so this is for a square of a number. And then to calculate the log of a number, I'm writing a user defined function log. So to calculate the log, you have to get a value from the user. So I'm receiving it in a variable called num. Okay, and then I'm going to calculate the log value to the base 10. So I'm calling the function log 10. Okay, so math module நிறைய log functions இருக்கு, log 10, log 1 அப்படின்ட்டு நிறைய functions இருக்கு. So this in this example, I'm calculating log value, log to the base 10. So the name of the function is log 10, and it will take one argument. Okay, so and then the value returned by this function, I'm storing it in a variable, and I'm returning that value. Okay, so the next one is a quad of two variables. So to calculate the quad of two variables, the formula is square root of x square plus y square. So I'm using sqrt function, which is available in math library. So all the functions that belongs to a module, that should be called with the module name. So math dot sqrt of x double star 2. Okay, we know that double star, that is an exponent operator. which is used to calculate the power. X double star 2 means x square plus y square. Okay, so after calculating the quad value, okay, so after calculating the square root, the result I'm receiving it in yes, and I'm returning that value. Okay, so these are all the user defined function. Now I'm going to write a main function, that is top level statement, and then you have to call these functions. Okay, so here all the values are hard coded. Okay, print the square of a number is square of 5. Okay, print the log of a number is log 10. Abdina log 10 oda value enna abindrathu it will return. And then what is this? This is a function call statement. In the square abindrathu user defined function. The square abindrathu it is a user defined function. So when you call this, it will call that is the control will be transferred to this place where the square function definition has been written. So 5, the value 5, it is substituted to num, and then it will calculate the power with this particular number. Okay, so similarly I am calling the log of a number is, okay, I am calling the user defined function log of 10. Okay, so what is this? This is a function call statement. Okay, so since these are all user defined function, I'm just specifying the name here. And then to the quad of numbers or that is quad of 5, 2. So I'm passing 2 values, and then the value you're just displaying. Okay, so when the function is returning some value, okay, when the function returns any value, then you have to use it in a you have to receive the value in a variable, or you have to use it in a parent statement to make use of that correctly. Okay, so here I have used it correct. I have used it in a print statement so that it will be printed on the monitor. Okay, so I have this program written in my Python editor. So in my Python editor, I have written this program. So now let us run this. Okay, so it will give you what is the square of a number is. Okay, so here, whatever may be the number of times you run it, it is always going to give the same value. It is always going to give the same value for the n number of execution. Okay, so in the practical examination, if at all the examiner wants to enter the detail, okay, if you have been asked to get the detail from the user, Abhina, what you have to do? You have to just get the value from the user, and then you have to substitute here. Sariya? So how will you get the value from the user? So you can get the value from the user using a int of input of. Okay, so now let me read this. Okay, so you can do this as a menu driven program also. Okay, so I'm just doing the improvement here. Okay, so just in case if your external wants to get the value from the user and then calculate the square or log or quad. Okay, in that case, so I'm getting this. So number 1 is equal to int of input of, enter a number to find square. Okay, so that I'm reading it in number. So what is the change that you have to make? Now you have to replace this 5 with number. Right? Okay, so if you have been asked to, okay, change the program in such a way that you get the value from the user and calculate the square for that particular number, Abhina, then you have to include the input statement. Okay, so similarly, I want to get I can use the same variable, doesn't matter. So number 1 is equal to, or number is equal to int of input of, enter a number to find log. Okay, so and that number you have to pass it as an argument here. Okay, so number. Okay, so and then to calculate the squad, you need 2 numbers. So you have to get 2 values. N1 is equal to int of input of enter number 1, n2 int of input of enter number 2. Okay, so and then you have to replace these values with n1 comma n2. Okay, so whatever the practical exercises that we are giving, so you have to understand that, and if the external asks for any change, okay, then you should be able to do that. Okay, so here I have changed my program in such a way that I will get the values from the user. Okay, so let us run this. So before you run, you have to save this. So save a program and run this. So now it will ask a number to find the square. So let me give some number. So 45. So 45 square is 2025. So enter a number to find log. So 10, let me give that. Okay, so log 10 by base 10 is 1. Okay, now I have to find the quad of a number. So to enter the quad of a number, so let me enter whatever the number that I want. So you can enter that and it will give you the quad of a number. Okay, so in this way also you can change the program so that you will get the value from the user and do the particular task. Okay, so the hard code pandrola. So what do you mean by hard code abdina? You are giving the value explicitly. Square of number ku badala square of 5 abdin nama program eludrola. So that we call it as hard coding abdin solluvom. Giving the value directly in the program. Okay, so some externals, they may not prefer such type of programming. In that case, you have to write the program like this. Okay, and you can again change this into menu driven program, also displaying the menu, getting the user's choice accordingly. Either you can calculate square, log, and then quad. Okay, so here what you are actually learning is, you are learning the mathematical function, how to make use of the mathematical function in your program. Understood, ma? Yes.